Hey YouTube, I've got a French door LG refrigerator with a freezer down below, and the problem is we've been getting some water leaking underneath the vegetable slide out tray, which is usually right here. The tray runs the length of the refrigerator, and underneath on this pan water's been collecting. Eventually what happens is it runs off the side and eventually trickles down the refrigerator to the floor. I spoke to LG, one of the tech support guys, and he thought it was the ice maker. It's not. He thought it was the water filter. It's not. It's definitely the drain tube in the back that's iced over. So what I've done is I've rigged a little device here, just using a baster with a straw on the end that's flexible, and I'm taking the straw, feeding it back through one of the vent panels, as you can see right here, rotating it down to get to the water runoff tray where the clogged drain tube is, pulling it back out and draining the water, as you can see. So a pretty significant amount of water has been collected back there, and what I'm trying to do is get as much of that out as possible. I know this is kind of a band-aid. It's not actually going to fix the problem. I'll have to pull the back panel off and work through the frozen drain tube issue shortly, but I've got to leave out of town on a trip, and I don't want my wife having to deal with a whole bunch of water running all over the floor and down the sides of the fridge. So that's a quick fix. It might just help you get started. Of course, the next step is going to be to pull the entire back panel off, defrost the drain tube, make sure we've got good water flow down to the evaporation pan at the bottom of the fridge, and everything should be good. Hope that helps.